Hey guys, this is Alexis from Linbay team, and today we have a different system of hydraulic punch. In this case we have a pre-cut and also a pre-punch. So in this case, for this system that is for Purlin, in this system we have a totally different type. For the structure and everything is different. So in this case we need to make 5 holes. 3 in the middle of the profile and 2 holes on the side. So for this configuration, we have the 2 holes on the side right here, 1 on the left, 1 on the right, and then we have the 3 holes on the middle we can have in this structure. The cantilever structure, that, as we know, the way to adjust this system while we work is just moving the system. As you can tell, I can move really easy to adjust where I need to be performed, where I need the hole. So today I'm going to show you how to change the pin and the die inside of this system. Because in different systems we use different sizes. For example, if you try to produce the smallest size, you need to change it for a new punch pin. The first thing that I need to know, I need to take all the base. After I move the base, I need to lose the screws. Una vez retirado este sistema, solamente tenemos que jalarlo. Y una vez aquí, can take the punch pin right now, and after we take the punch pin, we can also take the die. In this system we have the superior, one on the lower. We have 2 dies. After we change for the new one, we only need 2 replacement. So now we can say that it's fixed. So all they need to do is to push it. As you can tell, you can go really easily. You don't need to. It's pretty fast. The system is pretty fast. Well, and this is all for the video of today. If you have any other questions about how our system works, of the first punch, or any other question that you have, you can let us know and we can make a video, or we can explain to you in a video call or in a text to find the easiest ways for you. So right now I will just fix it. Okay, it's done. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.